The stooped one, Lord of darkness, drinker of blood, eater of the young, king of the void, the golden stone. But are such visions of an abstract evil, an evasive fiction, the malignant crumb, but the warming sun, his attendant stones, the whirling seasons. The evil sprang from our own harsh hearts, thronged inhabitants of this turning world, cramped into a corner, labelled by legend, Ulster or Northern Ireland, source of such malevolence, a long-natured bitterness, no Nordic family feud, arm and thigh bones scattered, the ravens have gorged on a surfeit of human flesh, but wise imperial policy, hurling the small peoples against each other, neighbour against neighbour, blind rituals of violence, our homely Ulster swollen to a plain of blood.